Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can switch to advanced cube navigation in FreeCAD. The default navigations is very basic. It does not provide much more options, not even the keyboard shortcut. So let's start. So switch to advanced cube navigation menu, head over to tools, then go to the add-on manager, and then search here cube. Then you will find here cube menu, select on it, and install. So the successfully installed cube menu, say close, and then restart your FreeCAD. Now once you restart your FreeCAD, you will get here advanced navigation menu, and here you will also get the shortcut options. For example, if I rotate my part and if I wanted to come to the isometric view, then I can click here, or simply if I press the 0 on my keyboard, then it will come to the isometric view. And now I see the fit for all. If I VF is the shortcut, if I press the V and F. So this tool is a very useful, and it provide the more option over the traditional navigation menu. So this is how you can switch to the FreeCAD advanced cube navigation menu in FreeCAD. I hope you have liked this tutorial, and if you like this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my channel. I will come with more useful tutorial on FreeCAD, like the small tips and tricks which will enhance your FreeCAD experience and increase your productivity. So thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.